In this video, I would like to introduce a very nice problem of Russian Mathematics Olympiad edition 1991. Here is the following equation system. The first equation, we have 5x is multiplied by 1 plus the reciprocal of x squared plus y squared equals 12. The second equation, we have 5y is multiplied by 1 minus 1 over x squared plus y squared equals 4. Okay? So if you would like to give that try to this problem, go ahead, pause this video when you come back to see the full solution. Okay? Now let's jump into the solution. So the easiest way to solve this one, I'm simply going to put this equation on this equation. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I will get 5 cancelled out from numerator and denominator. Here I will get 12 over 4, which is 3. Here I'm going to simplify this one and get the common denominator. Okay, so I will have x over y is multiplied by 1 plus 1 over x squared plus y squared is divided by 1 minus 1 over x squared plus y squared equals 12 over 4, which is 3. Okay, the next thing up, I'm going to simplify this one and make x squared plus y squared as a common denominator. Okay, so I will have x over y. So I will get x squared plus y squared plus number 1 as a numerator. Then I get x squared plus y squared minus number 1. So you may say, where x squared plus y squared goes? Because this one cancelled out, equals number 3 here. Okay? I'm going to make the inverse of this one. I'm going to flip this equation to make it as an inverse. Okay, so I will get y over x is multiplied by x squared plus y squared minus number 1 over x squared plus y squared plus number 1 equals 1 over 3, like this. Okay, if you take a look at this fraction, I get 1 over x squared plus y squared plus number 1 is strictly inferior than 1 over x squared plus y squared minus number 1, because this one is the same, just the difference, you have number 1, this is minus 1. Of course this one must be inferior than this one. Okay, keep in mind this one is positive. Okay, so next thing up, I'm going to multiply both sides by x squared plus y squared minus number 1. Okay, I will get here x squared plus y squared minus number 1. Here I get x squared plus y squared minus number 1. Keep in mind this number is positive. Okay, so we must keep the inequality not changed. Okay, this one equals 1. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 over x. Keep in mind x is always super equal to 1. So I will have here y over x is multiplied by x squared plus y squared minus number 1 over x squared plus y squared plus number 1 is strictly inferior than y over x. Okay, the whole thing equals 1 over 3. Okay, so which means I have 1 over 3 is strictly inferior than 1 y over x. In order to keep this inequality in the same direction, I'm going to take this inverse of this one here and inverse of this one here. So we'll get x over y is strictly inferior than 3, like this. Okay, and also y must be super equal to 1. Okay, since x over y is a natural number, it's a positive integer, which means x over y is going to be 1 or 2. So I'm going to break this one into two cases. If x over y equals 1, equivalent x equals y. Okay, so I'm simply going to use only one equation by replacing y with x. Okay, so I get here 5x is multiplied by 1 plus 1 over 2 times x squared equals 12. Okay, So by making common denominator, I will get here 2x squared, okay, like this. Then I'm going to cancel out one of the x down to x here. Then I'm going to cause multiplication by multiplying this term by this term. I will get here 5 is multiplied by 2x squared plus number 1 equals 24x. Okay, if you take a look at the left hand side of this equation, this term is odd, is multiplied by odd, which means the left hand side of this equation is odd, but the right hand side of this equation is even, which is impossible to have a solution. Okay, which means we have no solutions when we have y equals x. Case number 2, if x over y equals 2, in the other word, x equals 2 times y. Okay, so the easiest way to find x and y, I'm going to use this equation. Okay, I'm simply have this fraction x over y equals 2, so I'm going to replace this one by half. So I will have this one becomes half, because we have this fraction equals 2, so the inverse of this one is half, is multiplied by x squared. X will be replaced with 2y, which means I will have 4y squared plus y squared, which is 5y squared. 5y squared minus number 1 is divided by same thing, 5y squared plus number 1 equals third. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both sides by number 2. I will get here, this one cancelled out number 1, I will get here 2 over 3. Okay, then closing the multiplication, I will get here 3 times this one is giving me 15y squared minus number 3 on the right hand side of this equation is giving me 2 is multiplied by this one, which is 10y squared plus number 2. So I'm simply going to bring this 10y squared to the left. This one becomes 5y squared. Then move over this minus 3 to the right, I get 5, which means I get y squared equals 1. Okay, in the other word, I will get two solutions here, y equals plus or minus number 1. Okay, so we have this relationship between x and y, so it's very clear here. I will get x equals, I will get plus or minus 2 like this. Okay, because I'm simply going to replace y with number 1 or minus 1. But the problem, be careful here, we are not going to take the negative solution, because if we take the negative solution, we will have a problem, because this one is positive, this one if is negative, the left hand side of this equation it will become negative. So but the right hand side of this equation is positive, which means we are going to take only the positive solution. Okay, which means minus 1 is going to be cancelled. Okay, so we'll have only two solutions here. So we'll have first solution, x equals 2, y equals 1. So I found only one solution, x equals 2 and y equals 1. Okay, so I have ended with this video. If you have any question or suggestion, just put it in the comment section below. Don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.